Hello friends, in the YouTube channel Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta, in collaboration with the CLI, today we are going to discuss a very important case on section 68. The name of the case is AAKAR Housing Developers Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. This case has been reported in 99 ITR Tribunal, short notes, page number 21. The matter has been decided by Varanasi ITAT and the date of the judgment is 16th September 2022. In this case, an addition of rupees 54 lakh was made in the hands of the assessee. The assessee gave the explanation of this cash that the assessee has received this cash from 17 persons to whom the assessee has to sell the flats. The assessee deposited all this cash into the bank account. Then assessee said that all these deals were cancelled with the 17 persons and the assessee repaid them in cash. The learned assessing officer was not convinced because assessee was not able to demonstrate that which flats the assessee is going to sell to these 17 persons. There were only 3 flats in the stock of the assessee and no evidence was given that assessee is going to purchase these flats or is planning to purchase some flats and going to sell in future to those persons. Even no agreement was there, no written agreement was there with these 17 persons, and when this deal were cancelled, even the cancellation agreement were not there. So the assessing officer made the addition. The assessee didn't get the relief with the CIT appeal also. When the matter came to the ITAT said that the facts and circumstances of the case and seeing the totality of the matter, the assessee is not able to make his case. There is no stock of flats with the assessee. The ITAT was not impressed with the story of the assessee that having only 3 flats and with no plans, with the supporting evidence that the assessee will sell these flats to the customers, the assessee was not able to demonstrate that how the assessee will make the commitment to the 17 persons. The ITAT said that the assessee only produced the PAN number and the Aadhaar card number of the 17 persons. These were not sufficient to prove the creditworthiness and genuineness of the transaction. If the assessee have entered with the agreement with the 17 persons, then because the property deals are very important deals, so these type of deals with 17 persons cannot be with the bare hands, without any documentation. So in the absence of written agreement at the time of entering into the agreement and at the time of cancellation of the agreement, there was no cancellation agreement also. So in the absence of these documents, it cannot be said that the assessee is able to discharge its primary duty in proving the creditworthiness and genuineness of the transactions, because the situation is to be seen from the whole facts and circumstances of the case. So in this case, the assessee was not able to make his case that his deposit of rupees 54 lakh in cash was genuine. So the ITAT said that only producing the PAN number and the Aadhaar card number does not discharge the liability of the assessee. So what is the takeaway from this case is that if the transactions were genuine, then the assessee should have made some agreements because the details were there. So even if some agreements were made and it were got signed by the persons with whom the agreement was made, and there should be proper witness and some notary attestation, then the case of the assessee must have been different. So in every case, the documentation is very important and the assessee should try to produce the document. Sometimes it happens that the transactions are genuine, but we are not able to produce the evidence. So in this particular case, it seems that the homework of the assessee was not very good. So the assessee lost its case. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is AAKAR Housing Developers Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. Thank you, friends.